Hey you, the person watching this video, looking for the best career opportunities for the future, right? You've come to the right video because we will talk all about that. But before you learn about the best career opportunities, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. Let's start. Number 1. Medical professionals and nurses. You see, when you get hurt, you immediately go to the doc for a checkup, right? There are billions of people here on Earth, and almost all of us get injured and sick. Citizens will indeed need medical treatment, and even while part of that care is being delivered with new technologies, the need for nurses, physicians, and other medical professionals will never go away. An associate degree in nursing, a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, or another recognized nursing credential will be required if you value patient interaction and wish to become a registered nurse or RN. A medical degree in your chosen profession is required in addition to a 4-year degree if you want to work as a doctor. Number 2. Data analysts. Making complicated data and its insights understandable to a wide audience is the job of a data analyst. Fond of mathematics and science? This career might just be for you then. With the exception of those subjects though, this position also needs knowledge of a variety of programming languages, such as Python and SQL. You will also have to use data as a data analyst to find answers to challenging business issues. To work in this field, you should possess a business analytics qualification. Number 3. Manager or management career. You must have a Master of Business Administration or MBA degree to pursue a career in management. It is a postgraduate degree that is earned in 2 years. You may learn about both fundamental and sophisticated business principles, leadership, entrepreneurship, and many other relevant topics by enrolling in an MBA course. It also enables you to specialize in particular fields based on your preferences. A business needs additional managers to fulfill its tasks as it grows and extends its operations. Financial managers monitor an organization's earnings and outlay while searching for methods to increase profits and save expenses. They handle investments, provide financial reports, and assist in setting long-term financial objectives for the company. There will be a lot of opportunities waiting for you after you earn an MBA. You can work in a wide range of sectors, including banking, finance, investing, software, healthcare, etc. Number 4. Blockchain developer. These cryptocurrencies, blockchains, and bitcoins are so popular these days because of technology. You see, Bitcoin has attracted a lot of interest for offering its users substantial rewards. It is a cryptocurrency constructed just on the blockchain. Many experts believe that blockchain-based technologies will change numerous industries due to their unique potential and useful uses. This career can be beneficial to you. The need for blockchain developers in the sector might help you grasp how important they are. The demand for blockchain professionals has lately surged by 2,000 to 6,000%, and the salaries for blockchain developers are 50 to 100% more than for traditional development jobs. Several industries are searching for blockchain developers. Blockchain is a complex topic that calls for knowledge of many different abilities, including programming and cryptography. By enrolling in a blockchain school that covers all the required subjects and marketable abilities, you may become a blockchain developer. Number 5. Digital marketer. To accomplish a company's commercial objectives, a digital marketer makes use of the reach of social media and other digital media outlets. The main objective of a for-profit firm is to advertise companies, reach potential clients, and turn them into paying customers for profitability. The method used by businesses to do this has evolved significantly over time. Digital marketing is at the core of this transformation, which is continually evolving. You must have a solid grasp of marketing management to succeed as a digital marketer. Additionally, you must be familiar with the most recent tools that are utilized to carry out various job duties and analyze the data produced. The marketing data provides information that is utilized to comprehend the target market. It also demonstrates how well marketing initiatives are reaching organizational objectives. Numerous courses are available on a variety of topics, including affiliate marketing, programmatic advertising, conversion optimization, social media marketing, and search engine optimization. Number 6. Artificial intelligence career. Since, as the years go by, technologies get more advanced, and so you are worried about a robot taking your job and you'll have no source of income anymore. Don't worry, you can have an artificial intelligence career. Robotics engineers, natural language processing specialists, and artificial intelligence researchers are just a few of the many professions in the dynamic and expanding field of artificial intelligence. If working in AI seems appealing to you, you'll need at least a bachelor's degree, while a master's in computer science is advised if you want to fill one of these more important positions. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Number 7. Web development or developer. You see a web developer's work every time you visit a website. These experts are in charge of a website's appearance and functionality. For instance, their work affects a site's loading speed and traffic capacity. They write the site's code, add components like images and music, test the site, and keep track of its visitors. Different types of web developers exist. The site's aesthetic and user experience are the responsibility of front-end developers. The framework of the website is the work of the back-end developers. This ensures that everything runs well and provides flexibility for modifications as needed. Webmasters are responsible for managing websites, keeping them current, and resolving user issues. Various levels of education are needed to work in web development. Some companies just require a high school diploma when hiring web developers. Others call for an undergraduate or graduate degree in a subject like computer science. Number 8. Software developers. A software engineer created everything you see on your phone or PC. The hard work of software developers is responsible for everything from scheduling and tracking tools to scheduling and utility applications that enable you to compose reports to your favorite video game. The updates and patches that keep your favorite apps operating properly are also the responsibility of developers, who do much more than just create the programs themselves. The need for developers is perfectly reasonable. If you're interested in this job, you'll need at least a bachelor's degree in computer science or a closely related discipline, and many employers will consider an advanced degree to be advantageous. Number 9. Cybersecurity expert. The threat posed by cybercriminals and organizations is increasing as our society becomes more technological. Companies and organizations from all over the world rely on cybersecurity specialists to assist them in overcoming these challenging circumstances. You will work with businesses as a cybersecurity expert to assist them to comprehend the possible cyber dangers they may encounter. Additionally, you will be in charge of helping them improve their cybersecurity implementations so they can fend against hackers and viruses. Since there is a growing need for cybersecurity specialists, it is unquestionably a great career choice if you enjoy working with people. A bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, engineering, or a closely related discipline is the ideal place to start if you want to pursue a career in cybersecurity. Number 10. Statistician. Mathematical analysis of numerical data is at the heart of the statistical profession. Although the work resembles data science, it places a greater emphasis on mathematics and less on computers and machine learning. In addition to economics, business, biology, medicine, agriculture, government, and education, statisticians also operate in many other sectors. For instance, a statistician may assist a business in analyzing its sales data to discover who purchases its products and where it stands to increase sales. Many mathematicians, including statisticians, work for public or commercial research organizations. They frequently collaborate with other experts, like scientists and engineers, in teams. Most positions in this profession ask for at least a master's degree in statistics or mathematics, but you may still acquire some jobs with just a bachelor's degree. Number 11. Veterinarian. Do you find animals interesting and would love to treat and learn more about them? Be a veterinarian. In addition to treating individual animals, they contribute to public health by creating and upholding standards for livestock living circumstances. This promotes the safety of the food supply and aids in the prevention of disease outbreaks. A Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, DVM or VMD degree from a veterinary college that has been accredited is required to become a veterinarian. A 4-year DVM program is standard. Animal anatomy, physiology, and illness are just a few of the topics covered throughout 3 years in the classroom and the lab. At a veterinary hospital or medical facility, the last year comprises practical clinical practice. Number 12. Alternative energy installers and technicians. The alternative energy industry has a wide range of positions, including those for geologists, electrical engineers, installers, technicians, and ecologists. As we battle with the use of conventional energy sources, the future of this sector is unquestionably lucrative. Alternative energy sources will become more affordable and useful as technology advances. The industry's growth rate will be further accelerated by this move. It might sound too good to be true to actively work to save the environment while also making a solid living. However, the industry is now experiencing tremendous expansion, and further growth is anticipated. Number 13. Speech-language pathologist. Speech therapists, commonly referred to as speech-language pathologists, assist patients who have difficulty eating or speaking. They evaluate the issues affecting these individuals, identify the root causes, and create treatment plans for them. The majority of speech-language pathologists, nearly 40%, work in educational settings. Most others are employed in medical facilities, including clinics, hospitals, and nursing homes. Several speech-language pathologists work on their own. The majority of speech-language pathologists hold a master's degree or above in their area. Most speech-language pathology degree programs don't specify what kind of undergraduate degree you need to apply for. However, companies frequently demand that you finish a certain course before enrolling. Number 14. Industrial engineer. Anyone who creates, constructs, or maintains any form of system is considered an engineer. The systems that businesses rely on to produce goods and render services are particularly designed, built, and maintained by industrial engineers. Making all of these components interact as effectively as feasible is the responsibility of an industrial engineer. They can use their expertise for anything, such as transporting large items through a plant or making sure that employees are paid on time. A master's degree is typically required for industrial engineers who do research and development or teach at colleges and universities. A bachelor's and a master's degree in industrial engineering are both awarded following the completion of several institutions and universities' 5-year programs in this field. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.